Today, I am reviewing KitchenAid Artisan 5-Quart Stand Mixer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're someone who loves baking, cooking, or experimenting in the kitchen, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer in Aqua Sky is an absolute game-changer. Right out of the box, this mixer impresses not just with its stylish, retro-inspired Aqua Sky color, but also with its robust, durable design. It's crafted from zinc with stainless steel components, giving it that premium feel while ensuring long-lasting performance. One of the standout features of this mixer is its 5-quart stainless steel bowl. With a comfortable handle, this bowl provides plenty of capacity to mix dough for up to 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch, which is perfect for families, small businesses, or anyone who enjoys batch baking. The mixer's tilt-head design makes it easy to access the bowl and attached accessories, so adding ingredients mid-mix or scraping down the sides is effortless. The KitchenAid Artisan Mixer comes with 10 speeds, giving you precise control over every mixing task. Whether you're lightly folding egg whites, whipping cream, or kneading a heavy bread dough, you can adjust the speed to suit the recipe. And thanks to the 59-point Planetary mixing action, every rotation covers 59 touch points around the bowl, ensuring ingredients are thoroughly incorporated for smooth, consistent results every time. Included in the box are a coated flat beater, coated dough hook, 6-wire whip, and a pouring shield, so you're ready to tackle a wide range of recipes. The flat beater and dough hook are even dishwasher-safe, making cleanup simple and stress-free. The pouring shield helps prevent messy splashes when adding ingredients, keeping your kitchen clean. What makes this mixer truly versatile is the power hub on the front. This allows you to turn the mixer into a culinary center by connecting over 15 optional attachments, from pasta makers to food grinders, spiralizers, and even ice cream makers. Essentially, the KitchenAid Artisan Mixer isn't just for mixing. It can transform your kitchen into a full-fledged cooking and baking station. The mixer is powerful enough to handle nearly any task in your kitchen. It can stir, knead, and whip even the thickest doughs or the fluffiest batters with ease. Despite its power, it operates quietly and smoothly, giving you the comfort of a professional-grade appliance without the industrial noise. Finally, KitchenAid has built this mixer with reliability in mind. The 1-year hassle-free replacement warranty ensures peace of mind, and with over 20,000 positive customer reviews, it's clear this mixer is loved by home cooks and professionals alike. In summary, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-Quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer is more than just a mixer. It's a multifunctional kitchen powerhouse that combines style, durability, and versatility. Whether you're baking cookies, whipping cream, kneading dough, or experimenting with optional attachments, this mixer delivers consistent, professional-quality results every time. If you love cooking and baking, this mixer is an investment that will elevate your kitchen experience and make every recipe a delight.